All right, 3 minutes to full-on flavor. Thai steamed fish, jasmine rice, bright veggies. Step 1. Prep in 60. Rinse 1 cup jasmine rice until the water runs almost clear. Toss it in a pot with 114 cups water, a pinch of salt. Lid on, low heat, 12 minutes, then rest. Or use a rice cooker and let technology win. Now the sauce that makes it Thai and ridiculous. 2 TBSP fish sauce, 1 TBSP soy sauce, 1 TBSP palm or brown sugar juice of 1 lime, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 finely chopped red chili, 1 TBSP chopped cilantro stems, stir till glossy. Fish, 1-inch thick fillet, sea bass, tilapia, snapper. Pat it dry. Sprinkle a little salt. Lay on sliced ginger. Lay on scallion whites. Veg thyme, thin sliced carrots. Broccolini or gailan. A handful of snow peas. We're steaming everything together, one happy family. Step 2. Steam in 90. Set up a steamer, or a pot with 1 inch of simmering water and a rack. Heat on medium, gentle, not raging. Onto a heat-proof plate. Arrange ginger. Arrange scallion whites. Place fish on top. Arrange veggies around. Spoon half the sauce over the fish. Reserve the rest. Carefully slide the plate into the steamer. Lid on. Steam 8 to 10 minutes. Look for opaque flesh that flakes. Thermometer target 145 degrees to 63 degrees Celsius. While that's steamy, fluff the rice with a fork. Fold in a tiny knob of butter, or a teaspoon neutral oil for shine. Pinch of toasted sesame seeds if you're feeling extra. Optional flavor flex. Warm 1 TBSP neutral oil until shimmering. Scatter fresh sliced scallions. Scatter cilantro. Pour hot oil over to wake aromatics. Sizzle. Step 3. Serve in 30. Plate a cloud of jasmine rice. Nestle the fish and tender veggies. Spoon remaining sauce over everything. Finish with lime wedges. Extra chilies if you dare. Basil or cilantro leaves. Taste check. Salty. Tangy. A little sweet. Fresh. Clean. Rice is perfumed. Fish is silky. Veg still has snap. That's balance. Quick swaps. Gluten-free. Tamari. No fish sauce? Mix soy plus splash anchovy oil. Or just soy and lime. No steamer. Wide pan, rack, and tight lid. Or foil packet bake 400 degrees. 205 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. That's steam and serve in 3.